We're here in Kinawi blooming flower. So beautiful. What a sight. You're all invited here in Kinawi blooming flower sea.
Sunflower.
Come here, King,
Give
with
us sunshine.
my grandson King King. Come here, King.
King.
With my grandson King King with me. Come here, oh. Say hi, King.
Say hi.
Hi to my viewers.
I think Opep is there. There is Opep. Opep!
Opep!
Hold on. I-video sabi oh.
Di ko kay balo.
Kana lang, naka-video na na.
Opep, follow me na ilungan.
Opep, what's here? Opep, what's here?
Ay, dimisan.
Waman ako nakita si Opep. I did not see Opep here. Taray.
Joseph.
Tanawa na ko, wala.
At kuan lang tanan.
Ay,
Kuan
na.
tanan suot sa kuan.
Opep! Enjoy riding! Uy, King! Hawa, King, na ikaw!
Maigo pa lang ka ng baka.
Opep had a great time riding in a cow cart?
Cow cart.
No, it's not a horse. It's a cow's cart.
Nabidyohan lagi.
And King King with us. I still have my video.
Everyone ko na
Say hi, King King.
Hi.
kids.
I'm in the rock. Sunflower.
Ay,
Hi.
sa flower taxi.
Ag.
On Nangtel with Kaya, Kates. With my daughter Kates.
Hi. Hi.
Oh my gosh. With a beautiful sight. No, I'm done. You and Kates, Nangtel. You and Kates and King King. Join King. I'm done na.
Uy, tawag ng kids.
Okay na, it's okay.
Oh. Sunflower ba?
Nana lagi.
Nalag sunflower?
Hi everyone, I'm climbing.
Da. Ibidyo. Tapos,
Tana.